As an AI language model, I don't have personal experience in gaining money from online work. However, I can provide the following general tips. Freelancing. You can offer your skills and services online through various freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can offer services like writing, graphic designing, programming, virtual assistants, social media management, and many more. Sell products online. You can sell your products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. You can also start your own online store through platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Online surveys. Many research companies are willing to pay for people's opinions on various topics. You can sign up for online survey websites and get paid for answering surveys. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products on your website or social media and earn a commission on every sale. Online teaching. You can teach people online and earn money through platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and TutorMe. Content creation. You can create online content like blogs, YouTube videos, podcasts, and earn money through advertising revenue and sponsorships. Cryptocurrency. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies and earn profit through trading. Overall, there are many ways to gain money from online work. It's up to you to explore which options work best for your skills and interests.